Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, no? Ngayon po ay October 29, 2020. So malapit na po yung December, no? Ah, Malapit na yung Pasko. And sa mga may fellow OFW dito sa Middle East, magandang gabi. Muna sa Pilipinas, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, no? It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. Today we will check the PCI. Yesterday we checked it, and we are hoping that PCI will be bounced in the support. But we will check today kung nag-bounce pa siya o hindi. So as we know, PCI is climbing in the past week and is reaching the overbought level. And 3 days ago, PCI is retracing, no? So as we know, if the price of a certain companies ay in an overbought condition, 95 or 98% is what I experience. If the stock is in an overbought condition, it should be going to retracement. So that's why ingat-ingat tayo sa mga stock na nasa overbought condition. So now, let us check the PCI. What is the price action of PCI today? So let's go to the chart. So PCI ay hindi po niya na-hold itong support area on this area. So hindi na-hold ni PCI. So nag-drop down si PCI kanina, and now he is down by 2.01%. And bumalik sa may 6,249.39 levels. So we will check PCI if we will bounce in this support below. So now we see the bearish candle. We're expecting PCI, no, to be going back to this line near the May 20. So let us check, no. We monitor PCI. For today, there is a parent ceiling of 942.94 million. So we expect that PCI will go down again, and we will see on this level, okay, this support area. So we need to watch in this support area kung mag-hold si PCI or ma-break niya yung support area. So ngayon napakalaki yung candle na bearish candle. So if in case there's a bounce, maybe we'll bounce up to this resistance area only. So we need to watch PCI, but now is expected that he will go down to the support level. So for today, I have a stock here to be reviewed, and this is only my insight of these companies based on my technical analysis. We will check these companies. The first one is CNVRG. We will check CNVRG. As we know, CNVRG, that is Converge. So CNVRG, ito po yung IPO, no? As we say, the IPO was last October 26, and we know that the stock is going down, and now it's trying to recover. 2 days is going down, and now 2 days also is going up since yesterday. Because of this, we cannot see the price action. We cannot see the chart. We will lower the time frame to 5 minutes or 3 minutes. We will see the 3 minute chart. As we discussed last night, this is the incline resistance of Converge. And last Tuesday, we expect that Converge, if we will break this resistance, we will go up to this resistance area. So he reached the resistance area, and yesterday he's going back. So we drew a line here, and then the Converse is staying on this location, and he did not break the incline support. So this is the one we discussed last night, that if Converse will stay on this location, this is good for Converge. So this is the one I expect that this area we need to watch Converge. So mga si Converge, and then nag-stay siya dito na area. So now is going up and reaches this resistant area here. So if we see, this is the strong resistant area, no? So we're hoping that tomorrow he will break this area, and then if he can break this, possible he will go to this resistant above. So we need to see the next price action of Converge in this area. But for now, nasa resistant pa siya, no? We don't know, maybe he will go down. But for me, I will wait if he can break this resistance, and then there is a retracement in this area. So this is the area we need to watch Converge in the 3 minutes chart. Kasi wala pa tayong 1 hour daily charts, no? So we'll reduce it to 3 minutes chart. So we're hoping that Converge will break this resistance tomorrow. And if in case he will go up to this area, this is good for Converge, this area. So we'll see tomorrow. But now, if you have a position, you just watch if we can break the resistance area. If not, we need to take some of the profit. So we'll see tomorrow, and we're hoping that we can break this one and we create another bullish pattern in this area. So we'll watch tomorrow, no? Next one is IMI. IMI, we discussed this one last yesterday, no? So IMI, tingnan natin yung daily chart ni IMI. So umangat na si IMI, no? He completely break this resistance, and in case there is a retracement for IMI, we need to watch IMI on this area, no? We need to watch IMI on this location. So if there is a bounce for IMI and retrace on this support, so we need to watch IMI here. But now, there's a possibility that IMI will reach this resistant area. So, nahuli na po tayo din, no? So, if we see from this area, going to this is already 12%, no? Or 13%. So, we need to wait another retracement. Kung may retracement si IMI, kung sakali mag-retrace din sa may support area, so this is the time we need to watch IMI. But for now, let him just pabayaan mo na lang na angat siya. Then if there is a retracement, this is the time we need to watch. If we say MACD is good also. There is a momentum, but our ADX still below 25. So there's a possible scenario that IMI will hit this resistance, and then there is a pullback. So we need to watch the stock if there is a pullback. The next one is Emperador. Sa Emperador ay nagsa-sideway lang sa Emperador, no? Since March, kung tingnan natin si Emperador, tumataas si Emperador starting July and going up to August 20, and then now he's going sideways. So for me, we will wait Emperador to break this resistance, or the support ay mag-hold po itong support area. So, yan lang po ang mangyayari diyan. Kung babalik siya dito sa may support, then we need to watch and we need to, if you have a position, just hold it until the support ay mag-break down. So, but for now, si Emperador ay nasa resistant area na, malapit sa resistant area. So, we need to wait. And the first option is to wait if there is a breakout of the resistant area. Yun po yung unang titingnan natin. But, huwag muna tayong bibili nito unless walang breakout. Kasi nasa resistant area. Maybe, he will going back. We don't know. We're going back again to the support area. So the difference between this line is around 2.8%. So wag nating pilitin na bibili dito sa may resistant area unless there's a breakout. Because if there is no breakout, the possibility is we will going back to the support area. So as we know, the EDX is above 32, and MACD also is above the signal line. But for me, I will wait if there is a breakout for Emperador. So maganda naman yung candle niya ngayon. It's very candle, but we need to wait if there is a breakout tomorrow. Just monitor this Emperador. Next one is DNL. Si DNL Industries, no? Kung tingnan natin yung chart ni DNL, as we discussed last time, that we need to watch DNL if he can support, he can stay on this area. But today, nag-down po si DNL. So we need to watch DNL if he will come back to the above of this line. And there is a price action showing the aggressiveness of the buyer. So this is the time we need to enter. But now, just wait for another opportunity for DNL because now ay nag-gap up down po siya dito sa may baba near the EMA 200. So we need to watch if there is a retracement going to the incline support. Pero kung babalik si DNL dito sa taas, we need to watch this area. But if DNL will continue going down, we need to wait DNL on this incline support or in the EMA 20 area. So we need to watch, huh? We need to see, we need to monitor if there's a bounce on this incline support. If ever hindi niya ma-break ang resistant line above, hindi siya babalik dito sa taas. But if ever babalik siya, this is the time we need to watch the price action on this area. But for now, the scenario, there's a possibility he will going down. Maybe he will going down to a MA20 or this incline support. Next one is Eagle. Si Eagle po ay Eagle Cement, no? Kung tingnan natin si Eagle, ito yung price action ni Eagle. Nandito pa naman siya sa my support area. So we need to see on what's on this area kung mag-stay siya dito. And if you have a position, just hold it until this horizontal line ay hindi niya ma-break down. Kasi if hindi niya ma-break down, there's a possibility that he can break this resistance above. But if ever the price will go down to this line, this support, then you need to take action because the next possibility of Eagle is he will be going to this area. So this is the scenario for Eagle. If ever Eagle will going down, this is the area we need to watch for. But now Eagle is still there in the above of this line, this horizontal line, this support. So then you need to stay there and hold. But if ever will be mabreak niya, then possible direction will be going down. So next one is FNI. FNI is one of the mining companies. Tumataas po si MMI, FNI. And actually, since March, he is within the channel. And break po niya yung channel dito and then bumalik. But for now, he is in the resistant area. So for me, if I am the one to analyze, I want to wait FLI on this area. Kung angat si FLI diyan, and this is the time I need to watch FNI. Kung tataas dito sa my incline, this support, horizontal support, horizontal resistance. Because ngayon nasa incline resistance, and then there is also a horizontal resistance. So it's better we need to wait FNI if we will climb on this area. So this is the time we need to watch FNI. So if ever he did not break this resistance, possible direction, it will go down again. Maybe on this line, on this area. So we need to see if FNI ma-break na itong incline resistance and horizontal resistance. So next one is ALCO. Artalan Corporation. Thank you for the viewers. Sa lahat ng mga viewers, thank you very much. And now ALCO, if you see Artalan Corporation, there are many times that he hit this resistant area. Itong resistant, nandito po yung mga sealer ay nag-aantay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th time ALCO reaching this resistant area above. So now he reached it again last October 19, and there's a retracement. We need to watch sa ALCO on this area. Kung mag-hold si ALCO dito. But for now, we need to see, we will put the incline resistance for ALCO. So this area, we need to monitor. Now, hintayin natin nung ma-break ni ALCO itong uh, resistant above. But if ever, maybe ALCO will going down, and then he's trying to break this incline resistance. Kung makalampas si ALCO diyan, that is good, no? But if ever hindi niya ma-break itong incline resistance, just wait kasi baka magpunta siya dito sa may support below this horizontal line. And this is a bearish pattern, no? Kung pupunta na siya dito sa may, halimbawa kung pupunta siya dito sa ibaba, babalik siya diyan sa may horizontal support. This is now called as bearish pattern. So ingatan po natin pag may bearish pattern. Kasi there's a possibility that the support will be broken. So we need to watch kung makalabas si ALCO dito sa may incline resistance, or he can break this horizontal resistance above. So we need to watch ALCO. Next one is ANI. Si Agri Nurture Incorporation. Kung tingnan natin si ANI, we need to monitor ANI on this area. Kasi si ANI po ay hindi niya na-break yung resistant area. So we need to watch sa ANI kung aakyat si ANI dito ng area, yung horizontal line. So we will see ANI kung aakyat siya diyan. But if ever hindi siya aakyat dito, this area, iwas-iwas muna kasi baka babalik siya dito sa baba. So we need to watch ANI this area. Okay. Next one is ACEX. Si ACEX, no? Ito po yung tumataas. Ngayon, bumabalik, nagre-retrace. And this is the support area for ACEX now. So, kung hindi ma-break ni ACEX and there's a bounce here, so ACEX is there's a possibility na mag-bounce siya, no? So, kung titingnan natin itong resistance ni ACEX, possible resistance in this area. Okay? So now, we can plot now. We need ACEX to stay on this location. Okay? Kung aakyat si ACEX diyan, so this is a good area. There is a retest of this support. Kasi yung resistance magiging support. So let us see ACEX. But for now, for me, my own opinion, I will wait ACEX on this line. So next one is MEH. Si MEH ay tumataas po ito nung mga nakaraang buwan, no? I think last April, March, and May. The time when there is a pandemic, MEH is going up. And now he's going retracement, and then he tried to recover again. But for me, I need to wait minutes on this area. Kung babalik yung price ni MEH on this location, I need to watch MEH price action on this area. Okay? So this is the time we need to watch kung babalik si MEH dyan. Yung linya na yan, no? Babalik siya sa taas dyan. So we need to watch. And if there is a pattern, bullish pattern, so this is the time we need to enter MEH. But for now, keep away muna because maybe he will going back to the below support area. So we need to watch if he will going back on this area, the line, this line. Kung nga siya ulit yan, and there is a pattern, bullish pattern, then this is good for MEH. But for now, keep away muna. Maybe he will going back to this support area below. So next one is OR. Or we discussed this one yesterday. So tingnan natin si OR. Si OR ngayon ay nag-hold naman dito sa support area, no? If ever tomorrow ma-break ni OR itong support area, then this is the time we need to accept. If may position kayo diyan, then you need to take your profit. Okay? Kasi there's a possibility that he will going back to EME 200 or EME 20. But if ever or will stay on that area, ma-hold na yung support na yan, so it means or is good. So we need to see the price action of or. Thank you very much for watching America Recipe. So as you know, America Recipe is magaling po siya magluto si America. So just watch his vlogs also. Kasi magaling po magluto si America Recipe. So the next one is SMPH. Ito ay XM Prime. ACEX Prime Holding. So now, this is the support of SN. So we need to see if there is a bounce in this area. If there is a bounce, there is a possibility that SM will going back to this resistance area. But if ever, hindi niya hold itong support, then we'll expect SM Prime Holdings will go down again. You will see the ADX. ADX is above 25, so there's a strength. And MACD is above the signal line. There is a momentum, but it is tapered down. So it means there is a loss of momentum, but still MACD hindi pa naman nag-cross sa signal line. So we need to watch in this area if there is a bounce on this area. But for me, I need to watch again SMPH on this location. So I need to watch SMPH if he will climb on this line. This line. So kung mag-stay si SMPH diyan, so this is good. If he create a bullish pattern. Okay? So magandang gabi po sa America Recipe. Okay. Thank you for watching. And you know, America Recipe, as I said, magaling po magluto si Melissa Recipe. And now the last one is sun. We discussed this sun home developer. So we check it yesterday. Based on the pattern, may pagka-bullish pattern po siya. But for me, I will stay sun until this incline support ay ma-breakdown. If ever ma-break yung incline support, then this is the time you need to escape. Kung may position kayo dito sa area, then you need to exit. Kung ma-break na itong incline support. But for now, we will wait. Maybe sun, we will going the sideways movement, and we will wait sun on this area. Kung hindi niya ma-break yung incline support. So for me, I will wait. Home developers company price in this area. So this is the companies that we have now, and I hope we need to uh, have a discipline in trading in the stock market. This is only my advice for the investors and traders in the stock market. We need to position every time when we see a bullish pattern. It means a bullish pattern. It shows that the buyers in an aggressive mood. So kasi tayo ay mga maliliit lang na uh, traders, so we need to ride sa mga malalaki na mga investors na pumasok sa stock market. Kasi pag pumasok yan sila, there's a possibility that the price will going up. So kung makasakay tayo dyan, and we can enter the good position, then we have profit. So this is the only purpose that we are here in the stock market, is the profit. So for me, I will share the experience in the stock market. We need to avoid because in the stock market, practically speaking, this is emotion. The emotion is here. Bakit po emotion? We need to minimize our emotions here in the stock market. So, kasi halimbawa pag tumataas yung presyo, then this is the time you need to enter. So, hindi po yan tama. So, we need to position first below kung makakita na tayo ng aggressiveness of the buyer. Kasi pag tumataas yung presyo, saka tayo bibili, especially if the stock price is in overbought condition, there is a tendency that the price will go in retracement or going down. Magpapahinga po yung price. Hindi po yan tuloy-tuloy. Tumataas, then take risk, either going sideways or going down. So that is why important in the stock market, we need to see to buy in the support area, not in the resistance area. Kasi kung resistance area, yun po ang area where is the seller is waiting. So yun po ang tatandaan natin. Don't buy the shares if it is in the resistance area. Next one, keep watch always in the support area. The third one, if the support area is breakdown, if you have a position, then you go exit. Okay? Hindi na iisipin natin na baka babalik, baka tataas ulit. No. we need to have a procedure in trading. So we need to practice the procedure in trading. If does not goes to your bias, then go exit. Support ay nag-breakdown, then go exit. Next one is don't listen to the people around. Kasi minsan yung mga hype, marami pong hyper din sa stock market. Okay? Sabihin na tumataas yung presyo, and then suddenly mabasa natin yan, bibili tayo. Kasi tataas daw, aabot sa ilang piso. No, this is not. We need to have a procedure, follow the procedure, and then this is the time we need to uh, take profit. Kung may tamang procedure po tayo. And then, avoid stock na yung halimbawa yung mga bagong companies na pumasok sa stock market. Nakaka-IPO lang. Yung example, the Converge. Kaka-IPO lang ng Converge. So we need to avoid, we need to see first the price action, what the price action is doing. Whether the buyer is aggressive or the seller in aggressive. So we're always in the side of the buyer. If the buyer is aggressive, then we need to enter. Because kung tataas yung presyo, you need to sell the shares and then you take profit. Okay? So that's the stock market. Huh? So I hope stock market is not only for rich people, but it is for all. All Filipinos can build this stock market. This is open for all Filipinos. So we need to invest, no? Because 5 years from now, if the inflation rate is increased, so we can beat the inflation rate. So I hope you get something about this topic for today. And thank you for the viewers, and especially to the Team New and America Recipe. Thank you for watching. Huh? And you're my idol in cooking. Huh? So, magaling po magluto si America Recipe. And to my brothers and sisters, thank you for your support. To my friends out there, to Engineer Edwin Bilan and Engineer Edwin Vergara, Engineer Enrique Lamontad, Cas Richard Barono, Engineer Cas Richard Barono, and Engineer Ryan Lasaka. Thank you for your support, and I hope that you learned something about the stock market. And just put your comments below if you have a stock that we need to review. Actually, this is not intended for buying. I am not recommending any buying for that certain stock, but this is only sharing my ideas of how I trade in the stock market. So, because as we know, I know that all of the traders, no? Kung beginners pa lang kayo in the stock market, I know the first time, mag-lose po tayo kasi wala pa tayo sa procedure, no? Wala tayong proper procedure. So that is why we got lost, no? But at the end, we need to adjust and we need to establish our own procedure, how to buy the stock price in a lower price with including there is a bullish pattern. It means the aggressiveness of the buyers there. So we need to have a procedure and discipline in trading the stock market. This is the best way. And don't, as I said, don't follow your emotions, but follow your procedure. This is the best thing in the stock market, because some people they are telling, oh, this stock will going up tomorrow, go up to this price. Next month it will go to this price. No, don't listen to these people, but listen to your own procedure. Follow the procedure. If it is against your bias, then don't enter. If it is in your bias, then you will enter. So we need to have a strong conviction in buying shares and selling shares in the stock market. So if you have a profit, if you got a correct entry, then you have a profit, then take some of your profit. Don't leave there, because stock markets will not go like a rocket up. So there's a time it will go retracement. So if the price will go retracement, then your profit will be lost also. So if you got your money, you have a profit, take some of your profit, whether you will sell half of your position, half of your shares, take some profit, put in your pocket. This is the best way we need to manage in the stock market. We need to aim the profit. This is the main goals, to take profit. But if you are listening to the other people, and we have no procedure, this is the worst thing to be happening in the stock market, because maybe you lost, no? Because you're not following the procedure, your own procedure. You're following the procedures of others, people, and of course, you need to uh, practice own conviction. And if you have a strong conviction in buying the shares, the stock market. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. And uh, we're take care always, no? Especially today, still there. The pandemic is there. We need to take care every day. God bless us all always.